implement this website. Okay, and I see the background of the website that is in Next.js, and they are using Tailwind CSS in for CSS. But I always recommend you try to make website using simple CSS as which you know, because that help you to clear your concept, and if you need you can make it more clearable, and you can make if you changes any feature or any update, you can update it quickly. Okay, it is possible if you know simple css. And any website, if you go to a website, a full design and it's looking nice for css is very important for a web development or app development everywhere. So in our aim is we are not using any bootstrap, any talent css, or there is many libraries there. You direct import and you also add in class, and everything is happening with the design, but we are not using because we need to learn css. Yeah, I promise you we will start from basic html, but if you going to the any advanced, you need to more focus on css to make nice website. Okay, so if you see, we make in previous video the one up, and there is something, if you going to the one hover, the effect is not as expected. There if you see, that is something left to right is nice moving. Okay, so let me change something and make this like effect. So what is the file folder? Okay, yeah, so that is not useful, that is it's not scalable. Okay, so let me add and see what we can do for this css. We need to I am introduce you to css, that is after. You also know about no hover, but if you don't know, you also seen hover is something effect on hover, that's you can hover on mouse, then effect will be run, and this css you add in this file, this will be work. So and after is some nice feature and css. If you want to add any content, let me come here and see, that is our deploy thing, and here if you add content hello, it will be add, and after this category search, it is after, and if you change to is before, that will be at the bit before of the content, and that is like work as a span like work. But if you add display is another css, that display flag, display block, display kit, and more things. If you use display block, then this also divide in two part, and that is break into two line. Okay, and we use this display block, and we use after effect. Okay, after, and also use hover effect and display block, and we add background color. For this I'm using red now, we will see. And next we will add the width is 0%, and height is 2 pixel is enough. Okay, and let me remove hello. Okay, next if you add it, that is 10%, you will see that is coming very small, and we use those things. And on hover we change this width 0 to 100%. okay, that is our aim. So if you after hover effect on link, when we hover mouse on link, then this effect will run, that is width will be 100%. okay, then on our not coming something. Okay, that is our is not working. Why? Now it is coming. Okay, so and we can use another important, that is for animation we use transition. Let me add 90 millisecond, and there is option erase in, erase out, erase in out, in starting this first and end in out. Okay, look like this. Okay, now it is almost like this. You also see this, and if you make fast more, then you can also look like this. Make it fast. Okay, okay, that is same, almost same. And that's is for, you can make this CSS like this. And the next we'll see how to make the variable in CSS, because if you make, there is more use case. Let me add and we will see how to use. If you want to change the background color, if you change, that can possible for this type of variable. And this RGB is, if you see, are red, green, blue. Using these three color we can make any combination of color. Okay, you will see that is white. If you get all 0, that is mean black, that is black. Okay, so that's a nice property you can see when you interesting about this. Let me change the color. Okay, now okay, and we can use this variable using var, that is body color, body background. Okay, and okay, that's all. That is not necessary till now. Let me add those. Okay, and going to add another file in main. Okay, and let's see this, and we need to use a background color here, so we will var nav color nav nav harder, and for we will use tip for this one, var tip. It is not coming here. Let me copy tip nav header. Okay, it is changes. So why we need to use this? If you coming to the website, if you want to change the color, okay, if you want to change color, you need not to go everywhere and change the background color. Suppose this color is not look nice, so let me go and add this color, and this color is coming. That is a possible, that is if you use a main file here, and if you want to change the color as you want, everything is, it will be easy. That's why I recommend you to use var in CSS, is very useful. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, we'll see in next video. or more things, how to add icon in React. Okay.